Oh, we didn't need to do that. That wasn't the total savings. Nope. I went in and I expanded. So what is the cost? Sorry about that. Erased it. So what is the cost of each bar that is in the group, that's in the box? 38 cents. I went too far. So it's 38 cents. My decimal's there, so I don't need to put here, or I can write or 38 cents. Okay, let's look at the next one. Adi divides by 6 and gets a quotient of 9 3/10. What is the dividend in Adi's division problem? All right, so again, Adi divides by 6 and gets the quotient. So this is 9.3. She divides by, which is my divisor. The quotient, this is the answer. And so what is this? Well, I know I need to multiply 9 3/10 times 6. So I have 9 3/10 times 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 9 is 54 plus 1 is 55. How many place values am I moving? 1 over. And the answer is C. All right, let's look at the last problem. 7 students bought a ticket to the Science Museum. They paid a total of, so I have 7 students. They paid a total of $40.25. 6 students bought a ticket to the Art Museum. So this is Science Museum. So I have 7 students. Went to the Science Museum. I'm going to put SM for Science Museum. They paid $40.25. Then I had 6 students that bought a ticket to the Art Museum. AM for Art Museum. The total cost was $31.50. What is the difference in price between the 2 tickets of the Science and Museum? All right, so now what do we need to do? Yeah, we're going to have to divide. So I have my total cost here. So my first problem is I will have $40.25 divided by 7. And then this problem would be, and I'm needing to find out what's the price difference. So I'm going to subtract, and then $31.50 divided by 6. All right, so I'm going to switch over to extra notebook paper. And I said it was $40.25 divided by 7. All right, so let's practice on our 7s. 1 group of 7 equals 7. 2 groups of 7 equals, very good. 3 groups of 7 equals, good job. 4 groups of 7 equals 28, because you remember you're just skip counting by 7s. 5 groups of 7 equals 35. 6 groups of 7 equals 42. 7 groups of 7 equals 49. 8 groups of 7 equals 56. 9 groups of 7 equals 63. My decimal, drawing my arrow, putting it on the top. How many groups of 7 can go into 4? 0. I need to have at least 1 group, and that'll equal 7, so that's 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. Subtract that out. 4 minus 0 is 4. Bring down my 0. How many groups of 7 go into 40? Well, let's look over here without going over. It's going to be 7. So I'm going to have 7 groups. Oops, 5 groups. I circled the wrong one. Sorry about that. I have 5 groups of 7. That's 35. Subtract that out. So 35, 40. I'm 5 away. Bring down my 2. How many groups of 7 will go into 52 without going over? Well, look at this. Can't go to any more. It'll be 7 groups of 7. That's 49. Subtract out. So what is 49 I'll regroup. There you go, it's 3. Bring down my next number. How many groups of 7 can go into 35? Looking over here, again I have 5 groups of 7. Goes into 35. So each ticket cost $5. Cost $5.75, and this was for the Science Museum. All right, now let's look at the Art Museum. The Art Museum, I had 6 students. They paid $31.50. Okay, I'm going to go the same thing. 1 group of 6 equals 6. 2 groups of 6 equals 12. 3 groups of 6 equals 18. 4 groups of 6 equals 24. 5 groups of 6 equals 30. 6 groups of 6 equals 36. 7 groups of 6 equals 42. 8 groups of 6 equals 48. 9 groups of 6 equals 54. All right, now that I've got that set, I'm going to have my decimal, draw my arrow, put my decimal on the top, and I'm done here. 6, how many groups of 6 go into 3? 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. Subtract out. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Bring down my 1. How many groups of 6 can go into 31 without going over? I have 5 groups of 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. Subtract that out. 1 minus 0 equals 1. And bring down my 5. How many groups of 6 can go into 15? Well, I can't go over, so it'll be 2 groups. Because 2 times 6 equals 12. Subtract out. That leaves me with 3. Bring down my 0. How many groups of 6 can go into 30? Again, it's 5 groups of 6 can go into 30. And that's 0. So the art tickets cost $5.25. That was for the Art Museum. Now, what was our question that was asking us? What is the difference in price between the ticket of the Science Museum and the Art Museum? And so let's take the difference. What's the difference in price? So if you can't figure that out, let's go ahead and subtract that out. $5.75 minus $5.25. That's 0. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Bring down my decimal. And that's 0. So it's 50 cents difference. So the answer here is A. All right, that does it for tonight. I hope that you found dividing decimals quite easy, fun, and exciting. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.